With Blender open, you will have noticed this red and white circle over here. This is called the 3D cursor. If you select objects with left click, Shift and right click will move the 3D cursor around. If, on the other hand, you are selecting with right click, left click will move the 3D cursor around. It will be not very precise in terms of where you want it to be. For more precise controls, press Shift S. Cursor to selected, cursor to world origin are the most common ones to use, as well as selection to cursor. The world origin refers to the point where the X, Y, and Z axes meet in the center of the world. Selection to cursor puts all your selected objects to the same location as your 3D cursor, depending on the location of the origin point, which is this yellow little dot that always follows your object while in object mode. Whenever you create a 3D object, it will always appear at the same location as the 3D cursor. If you ever feel like hiding your 3D cursor, you can click here and disable the 3D cursor here. This will not stop it from functioning though. You will still be able to use it, you just won't be able to see it. That simple.